2016 5 states election result. In an emphatic mandate, the BJP is leading in 87 of Assam's 126 assembly seats, with the Congress, which ruled for the last 15 years, trailing away behind at 23. Against the Congress, Tarun Gogoi, the BJP projected for Chief Minister, Union Sports Minister Sarbanand Sonowal, who said when it became clear that his party had won, "We are committed to the people of Assam." Kerala too has delivered an unambiguous verdict. The Left Democratic Front (LDF) is leading in 91 seats, with the Congress LED United Democratic Front (UDF) at 47, a state that has stuck to its trend of not voting the same government in twice. A party needs 71 to win. But Tamil Nadu has bucked a similar trend of yo-yo politics, handing Chief Minister Jayalalitha a second successive term. The AIADMK is leading in 126 seats, well past the halfway mark at 118, while the DMK Congress are trailing at 104 seats. I have no words to thank Tamil people. This election has ended DMK family politics, said Ms. Jayalalitha, owing to make Tamil Nadu the no one state. Clues to her victory may lie in three factors: inspired populism to woo the young, plans to court farmers, and an overall positive agenda that countered DMK's substantially negative plans against her. She replaced food mixes that earlier wooed housewives with subsidies for mopeds and scooties for young women. She also promised reimbursement of education loans for students and offered free electricity of 100 units every 2 months, probably stealing an idea or two from Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his Aam Aadmi Party. The West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee has constructed another sweep, with her Trinamool Congress ahead in 210 of the state's 294 seats. The Left Congress alliance is trailing for behind at 75. I was always confident. They were not on the field. I was on the field, Ms. Banerjee told NDTV. The BJP is celebrating. Apart from winning Assam, it is leading in 4 West Bengal seats, the party's best performance ever in the state. In Kerala, the BJP is set to win 1 seat. It has never won an assembly or parliament seat in the state. BJP chief Amit Shah said the party's performance in the 5 states showed its base is ready for the 2009 elections. He also said these results are a stamp of approval on Narendra Modi's performance over the 2 years. I thank the people of Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Kerala for their support and assure them we will always work hard and serve them, Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted.